Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Rndr price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's see Rndr what is planning for today and what we might expect. Of course, we know that the market is still under pressure and of selling. Of course, we might see much more lower prices at the end. But let's see, of course, what is our target to start a bull run and where the bottom of this correction might finish up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A or wave 1, ABC correction, wave B or wave 2, followed by an impulse. And that means we have two possibilities. We have two possibilities as double 1, 2. Lower possibility because the wave 2 here is long in time, almost 1-to-1 with the wave 1. And very complex, I would say. So very likely that we might be, of course, in an A, 3 ways up and 3 ways down for a wave B in a regular flat. So after finishing this regular flat wave B here, we are expecting a wave C towards the upside to unfold as an impulse, of course, 5 ways towards the 1.05, 1.0 fib level, $15 for Rndr here. And we might take, of course, the target as a 1-to-1 fib level, which is considered taken from the A, B, and a C here. The wave B is a triangle consolidation, of course, very clear. And we have a kind of like a structure which is very complex here, shifting somehow to a wave Y, which it can be an A, B, and a C, and the wave C might be an ending diagonal here, or even an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish a wave C in a wave Y, in case, of course, we are looking for a WX and a Y, which is very likely, by the way, because a wave B normally can be, of course, a WX and a Y, and high possibility. And then, of course, starting to push for higher from there. Now, very clear that we need the time, the fib time taken, of course, from the W to the X to the wave Y to create a balance here. So you need, of course, this balance to finish at least the minimum requirement, 0.618 fib time here, to start something towards the upside. And, of course, at the same time, you need a structure. You need a finished structure, which it might be the zigzag here. In case we're gonna finish early a little bit, 0.618. Normally, of course, the perfect time would be even 1-to-1 fib level, which opens a possibility even for a wave C that it might still be unfolding as an ending diagonal, big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Probably can take the low, probably truncation at 1-to-1 fib level. At the end, I'm looking for 5 waves. Yeah, so to finish the structure. So two possibilities: early push toward the upside can be in April 2026, finishing in a wave Y. And I would say perfection would be the 5 waves, wave C finishing at 1-to-1 fib time, 1-to-1 fib level as well, and then pushing for a wave C toward the upside as well. So we'll see which scenario is unfolding over there. Let's dive inside the 2 hours chart here. For the 2 hours chart for Rndr, we are looking as well at a 5 waves down, wave A, as we mentioned, A, B, and a C, potential wave Y to be finished. The wave C itself still in double 1, 2, wave 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5 still required. Meaning, yes, we have double drops still for Rndr to finish at least the wave Y, and that's why we might take, of course, more time here until we reach the 0.618. Don't forget the 0.618 fib time is very, very required here to finish up. So yeah, we might go a little bit in a boring sideways, of course, in the wave 4 here, and then wave 5, and then starting something to push toward the upside. Unless we finish also there and we push for higher in a bigger diagonal, ending diagonal, which it might be the 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so this is also a possibility to reach at least the blue box within the time for Rndr. Very micro level, we are looking here, of course, at a potential finished impulse, wave 5, truncation in a wave C, in a wave 4. As you can see, we have already 3 waves anyway. I don't see it anyway as something as impulsive, so it's a 3 waves, wave B, wave C, regular flat. The regular flat finished here as 1, 2, 3, 4, no invalidation, wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, failing to take the high, meaning truncation, clear signal of weakness, and here we are. Currently, we are dropping down in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Can be, of course, something as a 1, 2 again, and then continuation toward the downside, because of course we need to take the low over there. Yep, so I would say at least the low is gonna be $1 here. The next target $1, in case of course we're looking to finish up a zigzag, this 1 to 1 fib level, taking from the A to the B to the C. I'm looking for $1, very psychological number. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.